Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.manandselling.com. Also have a PayPal donation link somewhere in the description of the video. All right, guys, so getting ready for the hurricane, but I wanted to do this video because I don't know how bad it's going to be, if it's going to hit us or going to go farther to Texas. Just in case I'm without power or whatever, I wanted to make sure that I had a video up this week. And I want to talk about this right here, guys, these headphones. It's been a while since I did a headphone review, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Connected has quickly become my favorite IPTV service. Connected will allow you to stream up to 2 devices for $14 and 5 devices for $25 a month. That's right, only $14, 2 devices, or 5 devices at $25 a month. They give you the option to view the APK several ways: APK 1, APK 2, and my favorite, and I recommend to you guys, APK 3. And if you don't have an Android Fire Stick device, you can always view it on their web player if you have an iOS device. Connected to the source, guys, one of the best, no, I dare say it is the best IPTV service. All right, guys, so before we go into the unboxing, I just want to show you where I got the headphone from. I got these headphones from Amazon. Now, they did have a VidPine code for it, so I think I paid like $12 or $23, and right now they're selling on Amazon for $49. So let's get into some of the specifics. I do it to myself all the time. So it's the Mingdong, I believe that's how you pronounce it, the E7B active noise canceling headphone. They say you can get up to 30 hours of playtime, deep bass, hi-fi stereo headsets. This is the newer model. Truly authentic sound. You hear music that stays true to the original recording with high resolution audio. E7B headphones include a powerful 1.5-inch driver with liquid crystal polymer LCP diaphragm for handling heavy bass, and can reproduce a full range of frequencies up to 40 Hertz, reducing distortion and allow you to enjoy all the music. Basically, it goes on to say about the battery, 600 milliamp batteries, and that's pretty much regular for Bluetooth headphones as far as like the 33 feet and as far as like the hands-free calling with the built-in mic. All right, so that's, you know, that's the details. So those of you guys want the details, I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you my impressions of the overall build quality and try to see if I can let you hear through the mic sort of what I'm hearing through the headphones. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so here we are, the E7 Mighty Rock Mingdong, however you pronounce it. Let's go ahead and get everything up and out of the box. Now, don't expect a grand unboxing. These are budget headsets. So underneath, you're going to get the user manual. You're also going to get this thank you card. Now, the user manual open up poster style. You can see it's black and white. You know, really, it's a budget item, guys, so don't expect fancy pictures and colors. You're going to get the micro USB charger, and you're going to get the 3.5 aux wire. The little knapsack really doesn't offer too much protection, just helps you carry it around. Okay, take it out. You can see you have all of your controls just on one side, volume up, volume down. It doubles as track forward, track back. Underneath, you got your spot for your aux 3.5. You have your power on, your Bluetooth, and your noise cancellation with the little switch. Metal band, that's good. The ear cups on a swivel, that's also good. And the leather protein is pretty soft, like big old pillows. So that's mainly what you're going to get in the box, guys. The headset is not too heavy. Basically, it's plastic, but hey, let's see how it sounds. All right, guys, welcome back. So that was the unboxing, and that was the page with all of the details on Amazon. 30 hours of playback time. Now they recommend that you charge it for 8 hours right out the box, but here are my impressions. All right, so this is plastic. All right, and I was a little disappointed because this is plastic. They do have a metal ring right here, and a metal band, I should say. The important thing about a metal band is that it's going to help prolong the life of the headset. I love that you can swivel and kind of turn the ear cups, but I was disappointed about the the plastic bill right here. After wearing it for a while, I realized that, hey, maybe that was a good thing, because if this was like aluminum or something like that, it probably would have added a little bit more weight. Probably would have been a little bit more uncomfortable. Again, the whole bill is really like plasticky. I don't know if that's a word. So the whole bill is really plastic. I guess just like protein leather or whatever. Not real leather. If you're going for like a brisk walk and it's kind of humid out, it will get hot. It will get hot up in there, and moisture will build up in that ear cup. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now, let me tell you what I don't like. I don't like the changing between the noise cancellation and the Bluetooth. The reason why, because if I'm listening to something and I have it on Bluetooth and I want to put it on noise cancellation, if I hit it the wrong way, guys, it's going to turn it off. So I don't like that off button right there. Right? So like, let's say like I'm listening to a song or whatever and it got background noise and I just want to switch. If for some reason I hit the wrong way, especially when you just getting them and you're trying to get the feel of it, if you hit it the wrong way, guys, you're going to turn the headset off. You're going to have to repair. So, maybe I'm nitpicking, but that's one of the things I dislike. Another thing I dislike, guys, is that what I mentioned earlier about the ear cups holding moisture. Mostly over-the-ear headphones are going to do that, but I don't know about these right here. They just seem to get a little hotter faster. So that's two of my dislikes. Now, sound quality. All of that jargon that we read on Amazon or whatever, and all those fancy words and how I can handle bass or whatever. If you're looking for boom, 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 boom bass, these headsets are not the best headphones that I ever use when it relates to bass. Do they have bass? Yes. Do they have a lot of bass? Yes. But they're not that boom 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 rocking like the old Beats headsets. All right, the clarity is there, like the mids and the highs. It surprised me that these headsets provide excellent clear audio. I mean clear. You can hear the instruments. The mids are there, the highs are there. It's a smooth transition, guys, between the instruments. And like I said, the bass are there. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I haven't had it on for like long periods of time, for like hours on end. What I like to do with over-the-ear headsets, sometimes I like to pair it with my Shield or something and watch a movie in the room. Now, of course, that's climate control, but how long can I keep it on my head? Now, they feel comfortable, but again, after a while, it is a little weighted. The fit, as you can tell, it's not like a perfect fit. And I do have this do-rag on, but it's not like a perfect fit. It doesn't mold, to your face. That's some of the things. All right, guys, so let me let you try to hear it. All right, guys. Let's see you guys can hear this. Press and hold the volume down. Press and hold the volume up. Gonna beat. Go ahead and turn the noise cancellation on. And that's pretty much what you're going to get, guys. Pretty much what you're going to get. Nice, smooth. Like I said, the bass is there. Go ahead and cut this off right quick. All right, so to wrap up the video, for $40, if I was you, would I invest in this? All right, so two things. While I was playing around with it and getting ready for this video, that there was like some type of interference, almost like, you know, when you're too far away from your phone and your Bluetooth, how it start breaking up and crackling. My phone was actually close to me and the headset just kept doing it. How big it only did it for like 2 minutes, if that long. I turned the headsets off and repaired it. Now I'm in my studio. You guys ever seen behind the scenes in the studio? You know all the stuff I have up in here: the lighting, the hot spots, the you know, routers and stuff like that, televisions. So maybe, possibly my Elgato screen deck, or you know, something, even a mic, something, or maybe my speakers right here was causing interference, but I turned it off and turned it back on to pair it back up. So who knows? So just be aware of that. I didn't pay the $49 because I got a VipPine coupon, so it's definitely was a steal for me because I had the VipPine coupon. I don't know if I paid $12, $23 or whatever. I try to put it in the description. I look for that coupon on VipPine or Vipine, however you want to pronounce it, and I couldn't find it. So it was a deal. It was a deal in my case. I recommend, if you audiophile or you just like to have extra pair of headphones lying around, guys, I recommend that you know, go to VipPine and go ahead, and I'm gonna put a link in the description for you to sign up. Go ahead and look for these headphones. They always having cheap headphones on there. Hey, try it out, man. The $30 investment, $12 investment, and who knows, they might last you for a while. Here's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Prayers for Louisiana, where I'm at, and prayers to Houston. I don't want the storm to go to Houston. I definitely don't want it to come here. Either way, be prepared, guys. So if I don't get to put out another video this week, you guys know what's going on with the storm. Be blessed.